Hello, welcome to the brand new episode of Code with Arun. Today we will be looking into ChatGPT-4 and how to use it for free. For getting ChatGPT-4 you need to have the subscription which costs $20, which is 1,600 INR, and it's available in India. GPT-4 is OpenAI Euro trademark's most advanced system, producing safer and more useful responses. GPT-4 can solve difficult problems with greater accuracy, thanks to its broader general knowledge and problem-solving abilities. GPT-4 is more creative and collaborative than ever before. It can generate, edit, and iterate with users on creative and technical writing tasks, such as composing songs, writing screenplays, or learning a Euro trademark's writing style. GPT-4 can accept images as inputs and generate captions, classifications, and analyses. GPT-4 is capable of handling over 25,000 words of text, allowing for use cases like long-form content creation, extended conversations, and document search and analysis. GPT-4 can solve difficult problems with greater accuracy, thanks to its broader general knowledge and problem-solving abilities. 6 months making GPT-4 safer and more aligned. GPT-4 is 82% less likely to respond to requests for disallowed content and 40% more likely to produce factual responses than GPT 3.5 on our internal evaluations. Research. GPT-4 is the latest milestone in OpenAI Euro trademark's effort in scaling up deep learning. Infrastructure. GPT-4 was trained on Microsoft Azure AI supercomputers. Azure AI Euro trademark's AI-optimized infrastructure also allows us to deliver GPT-4 to users around the world. Limitations. GPT-4 still has many known limitations that we are working to address, such as social biases, hallucinations, and adversarial prompts. We encourage and facilitate transparency, user education, and wider AI literacy as society adopts these models. We also aim to expand the avenues of input people have in shaping our models. Availability. GPT-4 is available on ChatGPT Plus and as an API for developers to build applications and services. Those who have a Plus membership, they will automatically be redirected to ChatGPT-4. How to use the ChatGPT-4 for free. Bing Chat is trained and bid ChatGPT-4, hence you can go to chat section and join there to use ChatGPT-4 for free. Isn't it amazing? Thank me on the command box if it helps you. And do subscribe, like and share. Happy learning.